ready.
I am
Mommy, get ready.
I am
Get ready.
Hey,
I am ready. Are you ready?
I am
Everybody get ready.
I am
Right to get ready.
Oh,
Thank you.
yeah, Wokoma. Didn't I say get ready? They were ready for Wokoma.
We are ready for everything. As far as I am concerned, we are ready for everything. In fact, this out why I come out to go now. It has a lot of benefit to this family. According to this child issue, you know they feel perform on bed, you know they feel do this thing. All of them are coming to an end today because I am ready. Are you ready? I am ready. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Look at what I got. Look at it. It is called Jean-Juin Jinjou. Call it again. Jean-Juin Jinjou. Jean-Juin Jinjou. Yes. Or if you cannot pronounce this one because it is in Chinese language, you can easily call it famous Chinese herbal drink. Famous Chinese herbal drink. And this drink, it has a lot of health benefits. One, it cures all kinds of pains. Body pains, waist pains, back pains, and arthritis. Not only that, it helps in cleansing the whole body. It will clean all your dirty, nyama, every sugar waiting for your body. It will help clean and wash and comot. Then it will rise your hormonal system. Any sickness will come. Any sickness will come. And not only that, it also helps in building your sexual urge. Sexual urge. Yeah. Not only my own, they say inside of woman, it will help enter inside your lubadom. Your lubadom. You the lubadom go te chashia dotini le nonia. Lubadom egeroge. Nkaigazie nke mote lubadom jam zie my own lubadom. I na amuruzie lubricant. Hey! Ima amonye la liga. Gonna go kwa onye.
Amwe Chelsea.
Iwe onye Chelsea. Anya agbakọta ihe ọnụ. Na ga agba n'abalị egwu agbacha ekuru nwa. Na akụ ga gị na-etizi zonjua aga etie nju zonjua zinju zonjua zinju abacha ekuru nwa. You see, they even talk say this drink they no put any natural sugar. They say na honey, natural honey. And when they when I tell you say they work for woman body, na natural. And the reason why I tell you say we don't make am be say the person will get this drink. Now our Igbo brother, you know say we Igbo people, ayana ha gebe uru na ama. Anywhere where you see any Igbo man, uru nonga. There is Junjua, Jinjua. And this our brother can't travel go China. And then the China bako. How would it harbor, original harbor, will be say they work for human body. Can't do this thing. You can get it in Enugu, Anambra, Imo, Calabar, Onitsha, Lagos, Abuja, Gbogbo, Malo, where I saw back in the line. Anywhere where you go inside the whole world, ask about this Chinese layer. Ask about this famous Chinese herbal drink. Or Jean-Juin Jinjou. Zongene, Jean-Juin Jinjou. Never got Chinese man there. Ndi gorogo n'elu nleti zanzua gileti gini zinju zanzua zinju zanzua zinju. All right, our people, if you want to get this drink for your family, you can contact us through our Facebook page. This is our Facebook address, and this is our also Instagram address. You can see it is rolling on the screen. And then if you want to call us on our hotline for your bookings, my dear, this is the number to call. Remember, this Christmas, anybody will come your house, you serve them this drink. It better when you give them 1 million, because as in the waka they go, your body go dey strong. Everything about him go dey kakaraka. And this drink we get them in 2 sizes. We get them for big one and we get them for smaller one. You can make your orders now. Why we dey rush them? Drink them, test them, use them, and then thank me later. Jean-Juin Jinjou. You talk Ontario lagiani, boy ya orogeni. Zondwa Jidendo.
Purchase your track today.